In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add all your Instagram followers to your close friends list at once. Adding all your Instagram followers to your close friends list boosts intimacy and lets you share exclusive content with those most engaged, fostering a stronger connection and loyalty. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of who can see your content. Select the second option of close friends. You will then select on all these accounts, one at a time. All these accounts are people following you. You can also search for some accounts you are also following to add them to as your close friends. That's how easy it is to add your followers as close friends at once on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.